Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is x is to power x is equals to 11 is to power 242, and we should solve this question for this x. In order to solve this question, first we should understand the question, and this question you can see that this is a system of a nonlinear equation, and we can solve this question easily by using the basic algebra rules. So let's start our video. In order to solve this question, first we should break this power into 2 into 121. So as a result, we should get x is to power x is equals to 11 is to power 2 into 121. Now this value can be written as 11 square into 121, and the other part of the equation x is to power x will remain same. And now this 11 square can be written as 121, and this 121 in power will remain same, and the other part of the equation will remain same. Now as we know that from the basic rule of algebra, if the base and power having the same value on the both sides of the equation, it means that one side having a same power and base value and the other side of the equation different but same power value or base and power value, then these power or these base can be taken equal. So here a equal to b, we can say that if we take the power are equal or if we take base are equal, it's up to us. We can take both values can be equal. So here we can apply the same rule in order to get the value for the x. As a result, we should get the value of x is equals to 121, and this is the answer for the x for this system of nonlinear equation. You can see that here we apply the simple basic algebra rule. First we break the power, then we separate the power, and then we open the power, and we apply the basic algebra rule. If their basis and value, basis and power having the same value, both sides of the equation, then we can take their power or a basis can be equal, and as a result we get the value for the variable which is x is equals to 121. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.